Hey everyone, it's Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how we go from PDF to PowerPoint presentation with all types of voiceovers and presenters using AI with Train Day, right? So here we are at trainday.io, and this is like one of the #1 things people like to use Train Day for. So we're going to go to import PDF, and we're just going to import an employee training PDF that we already have, just like this. We're going to click yes, and we're going to bring this in. This is only about 4 slides and has some text on it, some images on it, shapes, this type of thing. What we're going to do is add a voiceover and then add a presenter with a voiceover also, and then maybe we'll create a scenario too. We don't know. Maybe or not, right? And then, you can also create quizzes and whatever else kind of slides that you really want. But let's just bring this in and we'll create the presentation and then export it to a PowerPoint. And, you can also export it to SCORM, but we'll just do PowerPoint for this one. All right, let's see what we got. Here's our presentation. You see we got a new bit of design here. This makes it a little bit easier for everyone. So let's generate a script. Let's say write a short intro to our employee training program, right? And you could be specific here and name your business, right? We could say let's say Bob's, right? Bob's Heating and Air, right? Just to try and give us some specifics, right? So let's see what we get. Welcome to Bob's Heating and Air, this and that, da. All right, let's just simplify this a little bit for our demo here. Let's just do that. Let's create our voiceover. Now you can select a different voice if you don't have a presenter, right? But for us, let's just add a presenter, right? Let's see if we could find one. Let's just pick this lady right here, right? So we got her. Let's put her right here, and we'll create our voiceover really quick. And yes, we want captions. You don't have to have captions, but we'll get captions on this video here. And then we'll end up rendering it so we can put it in our PowerPoint. So let's see how this looks. All right, the voiceover is created. And let's check it out.
Welcome to Bob's Heating and Air Employee Training Program. Our mission is to empower you with the...
So that looks pretty good. Let's go over here and let's add a voiceover to this one. So this one is importance of employee training. Let's just create a little script for this. Let's say write a short message about the importance of employee training, right? You can write your own video scripts too, but we're just going to generate them for this, right? Okay. And let's just shorten this up really quick. And let's create our voiceover. And for this one, we have to select the voice because we don't have a presenter, right?
Life isn't about fun.
So let's go with, no, we want to make sure we get our voice, right? So let's go with this one, right?
It is not so important to...
Let's go with that one. And yes, we want captions. And then let's check out what our voiceover sounds like, right? So this is, of course, with no presenter.
Employee training is vital for both individual and organizational success. It enhances...
So that looks fine for us. And let's just keep these two for our example. Now we want to render this slide really quick so we can use it in our PowerPoint. In this part, we don't want to delete this or close this window right here till it's done. Just take a minute or so. And then we're going to render this next one too so we can use this in our PowerPoint. So that's all good. We can close that. Let's go to this one. Let's render this one. And then we're going to export into PowerPoint and see how it looks in Microsoft. So that looks like that's done. And we'll get a notification when our slides are completely done. So for right now, let's just open up Microsoft and get prepared for that. Here we are. Also, let's change the name of this course. Let's do... Mm-hmm. We'll save that. You can see one of our videos is done. We get a little notification right here. You can also preview it. You don't have to render the slides to see how it looks in our own learning management system.
Welcome to Bob's Heating and Air Employee.
All right, so let's check out our final videos for our PowerPoint.
Welcome to Bob's Heating and Air Employee Training.
All right, let's check out this one.
Employee training is vital for both individual and...
So that looks pretty good. And then we got our other two slides, right? So now we're just going to click export, export as PowerPoint, and we'll select the order that we want our slides in. This looks fine for me. So now you can just wait here for your PowerPoint, or you can leave. You'll get an email and you can see where they are in your exports. Now I'll show you where they are too. So I'm just going to download this and I'm going to move this PowerPoint to my desktop. And then also, if you want to see where they are in your exports, they're right here. And your thing is right here. You can just click on it and download it right there, right? And then, of course, we got our notification. So now let's go over to Microsoft and let's upload our PowerPoint presentation. Upload, and here it is, employee training. And we'll see how this looks in PowerPoint. All right, here we go. Here's our videos.
Welcome to Bob's Heating and Air Employee Training Program.
So you got that one.
Employee training is vital for both individual and organizational.
And that one, and then you got the rest of your slides. So that's it. I hope you liked it, and I can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and I'll see you in the next videos.